what you saw. Ain't no need for an intro. Let's make these pancakes, shall we? They're as easy as one cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 egg, you see a trend going on here, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and some sugar, and a pinch of salt. There it is. And now you're just gonna get a whisk. And guess what? If you don't have a whisk, you don't need it. Get a fork and start mixing. You do not want to overmix this just until you don't see any more flour. Now remember, the chunkier the batter, the fluffier the pancake. Okay? This should just take a few seconds until your batter looks like this. Now we're just gonna let that hang out for 5 minutes to relax the gluten. Meanwhile, preheat a skillet over medium-high heat. Spray it with some non-stick spray. Get yourself a 1/4 cup measuring cup. Pile on that batter. Put it in your skillet and you can just level it off with the back of your measuring cup. Now this is only gonna take about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. And you could see it's now starting to form bubbles. Now here's how you know when to flip it. If you touch the edge of your spatula to the edge of the pancake and you see that it's still sticking to your spatula, let it be until the edges are dry, just like you see here. And you can see when I touch the edge of my spatula, it does not stick. It actually goes under really smoothly. Now you know it's time to flip, so we're just gonna do that right now. And we're gonna end up with a beautifully golden brown side. Keep it for about a minute to a minute and a half on the other side. And just keep on flipping until you get your desired color and doneness. I like my pancakes on the lighter side, so that's how I kept it. And that's it. You saw how easy the recipe was. It's 1 of everything. You can easily double it, just 2 of everything. And you have yourself the sexiest stack of pancakes I think you'll ever make, okay? Nothing better than a simple, plain pancake that is easy to make, minimal ingredients, and like you saw in the intro, I mean, look at that. I almost didn't want to eat it, but I did. I might have added some extra maple syrup, but that's none of your business. You can add chocolate chips, you can add blueberries. Now listen, if I could have, I would have majored in cocoa, but for some reason, when it comes to pancakes or muffins, I am team blueberry. Are you like that? Let me know down in the comments. I really hope you guys enjoyed this really simple recipe. Just look at how fluffy they are from the inside, not gummy at all. So good. The recipe will be down in the description, so check that out. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more where this came from. Also, come say hi on my Instagram. I have linked it down below. And I will see you next time on Simply Meha, where we are always simple, but never basic. Later.